In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide to navigating Shopify and customizing your online store templates. Templates? Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or you're just getting started, this process will enable you to personalize your store's appearance, making it more appealing and unique. First things first, let's head over to your Shopify account. Log in if you haven't already, and it will take you directly to the home page of your store. The homepage is the central hub where you can access all aspects of your Shopify setup, and this is where our journey begins. Once you're on your store's homepage, you'll see various options on the side menu. Look for the one labeled Online Store and give it a click. This is where you can find all the themes available for customization, which are essentially the backbone of your store's visual presentation. Now, located next to the theme you're currently using, you should see three small dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides several options for managing your theme, but for our task today, you'll want to choose Edit Code. This option opens up a world of customization possibilities, allowing you to tweak the actual code of your theme and make changes that aren't possible through the standard settings. With the Edit Code page open, you'll find a sidebar with a list of all the files that make up your theme. Focus your attention at the top, where you should see a button labeled Add New Template. Click this button to create a new template file. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to experiment with different designs or layouts without altering your original theme files. Once you've clicked Add New Template, a prompt will appear asking you to select a template type. This is your opportunity to choose from various predefined template structures that fit different page types in Shopify. Navigate through the options and choose the one that best fits what you're trying to achieve. Finally, after making your selections, you'll want to click Done to save your new template. This action applies your changes and takes you back to the template editor, where you can start coding or making further changes. Always remember, the changes you make here can significantly impact your site's look and feel, so proceed cautiously and always preview changes before they go live. That's it! With these steps, you can manage and modify your Shopify store's theme templates, giving you control over your store's visual identity. Be sure to experiment and explore the different options available, as your store's aesthetics can play a significant role in attracting and engaging customers.